are excited to announce Tripleseat Advanced Reporting Platform, what we call TARP. TARP is an advanced feature subscription that gives you access to reporting above and beyond our existing reporting dashboard. You can subscribe to TARP per location and report on multiple locations within your group. We'll talk a little more about how to subscribe to TARP, but first let me introduce you to what TARP is all about. In your Reports tab, click on Advanced Reporting, which becomes an option once your locations are enrolled in TARP. This will bring you to your TARP dashboard. On the left side, we have all of the TARP reports that you can run. The reports are broken down into 3 groups. You have event reports that give you event-level detail on things like revenue, billing changes, and pacing. We also have a group of booking reports, which take data and revenue from the booking level. Our sales reports are focused on providing data on individual salespeople, their activities, goals, and productivity. The rest of your TARP home screen is made up of the dashboard, which you can customize and populate from our visual gallery of graphs. This allows you to see at a glance exactly what is important to you. The graphs on your dashboard can be edited to show specific locations, date ranges, and renamed and moved around. You can create multiple tabs on your dashboard, which allows you to organize your favorite reporting tools by location, user, or other factors. All of the TARP graphs that populate on your dashboard and within your reports can be downloaded as images so you can easily use them in presentations. TARP reports can be exported to Excel or PDF. Check out all of the videos within this course for an in-depth look at each of the reports we offer. If you're interested in TARP, visit your settings page and click on Tripleseat Advanced Features and Subscriptions. If you'd like a demonstration on how TARP can help you make the most of your Tripleseat data, contact our team or email marcus@tripleseat.com.